alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today we will make some decorations for Ramadan. I have cut 2 moons on cardboard. Now we will cut out the moon on a white sheet and then paste it on top of the cardboard moon. Now we will attach it with tape. Now we will take a white wool and wrap it over the moon. It's look amazing. Now we will put the moon on a cardboard and make a mosque with it on a black sheet. Look how beautiful it looks now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Bye bye.